a breakfast cereal that is a part of the grass family Poaceae. For several millennia, millets have been cultivated and consumed as a group of small seeded grasses. These Asian grains were a staple food in many parts of the world, especially Africa and Asia, and have recently gained popularity due to their high nutritional value and sustainability. Millets have been grown and consumed for over 7,000 years, making them one of the oldest cultivated grains in the world. Millets can be a profitable crop for small-scale farmers as they require less investment and can be grown in marginal lands. Millets have a long shelf life and can be stored for several months, making them a reliable food source on the time of scarcity. Millets are a sustainable crop that require less water, pesticides and fertilizers compared to other major cereals like rice and wheat. Millets are Asian grains with significant nutritional, agricultural and economic benefits. As we move towards a more sustainable future, it is important to understand the importance of millets. Meet the miracle grains and move toward a better future.
Millennials for its unobtained health benefits. Millets are cereal crops in small seed grasses which are widely used in Asian and African countries. Millets are also known as coarse millets or cereals of the pods. There are many types of millets such as ragi millets, foxtail millets, proso millets, etc. Millets are a group of small cereal grains. It is a great source of nutrition, high in fiber and rich in vitamins, minerals and proteins. Its benefits include protecting cardiovascular health. Millets use 70% less water than rice, grows in half the time as wheat and need 40% less energy in processing. They are used in food and fodder, therefore they make strong economic sense in mixed farming system of India. Millets plays an important role in ecological and economic society of India.
Several beneficial nutrients. Millets aids weight loss because the caloric content of millets is low. Millets keep blood sugar is low because millets contain low glycemic index, so consuming millets regularly. Lower the risk of diabetes. Millets boost immunity because millets reduce cardiovascular risk because it contains essential fat which provide our body with good fat and prevent risk of strokes.
Millets have been grown and consumed for over 7,000 years, making them one of the oldest cultivated grain in the world. They are traditionally grown in Africa and Asia, but now found in many parts of the world, including North and South America. Vitamin and minerals. Millet do not contain gluten, which makes an excellent choice for individuals who have celiac disease. Additionally, millets can be profitable crop for small-scale farmers as they require less investment and making them a reliable food source.
Share of around 41% of total global production in 2020. India produces around 21 million tons of millets annually. Government of India observed year 2018 as a year of millets to encourage and promote the millets production. The UN Food and Agriculture Organization is endorsing India's proposal to declare 2000. Millets are rich in vitamins, minerals and nutrition.
Millets is useful for strengthening the nervous system. Therefore, to ensure food and nutrient security for our country, it is important to increase the production of these crops. The control of production, distribution and consumption
receive an average annual participation of
one of the oldest and important food in the world. These are small seeded hard crop which can grow under marginal condition of the soil fertility and moisture. Millets are cultivated in low fertile land, tribal and mountainous area. These are including Haryana, UP, Chhattisgarh, Gujarat, barnyard millet of oats and cereal. Foxtail millet is rich in minerals and vitamins.
They were traditionally grown in Africa and many parts of the world, including North and South. Nutrition benefit of millets. Millets are highly nutritious, provide a rich source of the protein, fiber, vitamin and mineral, which make excellent for the individual.